In order to access your viewing history on Prime Video, you need to begin by going to the official website of primevideo.com. Once you're there, you need to go ahead and log into your account. You can also use the application instead of website. Now, once you are arrived in the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, tap on Accounts and Settings. Now go ahead and tap on Watch History, that is between language and hidden videos. Once you tap on that, you will see all of your watch history. But in my account, my watch history is empty, so it is not displaying anything. But after you watch a video, it appears here, and each profile has its own list. To view and manage videos watched with a different profile, you need to switch to that specific profile to view it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.